Maiko! You're not him! You're a fake! An imposter!
I assure you that I am all...
Impossible!
I am here!
All Might, where'd you come from? How'd you get rid of all those reporters?
I stand for justice, not sound bites! Because I am All Might!
Wait, what do you mean inherit? Inherit what?
You should see your face right now. Don't worry. I'm not gonna force this thing on you. Listen well, young man. This is your choice. Do you want to accept my awesome power or not? What was it like?
Or no, like whoosh, or maybe kapow, or ooh, I know, like an egg about to explode in a microwave.
That's pretty boring, but okay.
They're cheering him on, but they don't know what kind of trouble he's actually in.
That means there's a limit to what you can take, right? At this point, I can barely even look like All Might for an hour and a half.
I'm so sorry. I should have just...
You don't need to apologize for anything. Man, we are alike, you and me. Right! Meaning you'll have plenty of opportunities to sell yourself.
I guess. No! I'm sorry! I mean, what you're saying is absolutely correct, All Might! Besides, I don't know that I can stand out right now, considering I did so horribly on the fitness test and can't control One for All very well.
Man, nobody is better at spouting word vomit than you, kid.
Oh, hey, are you okay?
You scared the crap out of me.
A phone call is here! A phone call is here! A phone call!
Yes, hello?
He can't possibly be serious with that ringtone.
What? Hi, sir!
You could have warned me about Izuku Midoriya.
It's not the kind of thing that can be resolved in a single test. Jeez. He easily could have shot through the gate himself and passed the exam for them both. You hit me with everything you had, huh, kid?
どうすれば
もう大丈夫なぜって
私が来た
He's using the professor's device!
Damn, not much time.
He's at his limit!
Where did this strength come from?
無個性の中学生にワン・フォー・オールを譲渡しただと。
人を助けられる人間になりたがっている。イメージを固めて肌で感覚を覚える。繰り返しあるのみってことか。久々
の完結。
結果的にこの身一つで戦うことを選んだのさ。
久々のマッスルフォーム。